to Grand Rapids. It is the first day of ArtPrize, and I'm going to show you guys around so you guys can have an awesome experience here in Grand Rapids. Here we have the Grand River. You can kayak in it. I'm definitely afraid of it, but you can do that. And if you want to get around ArtPrize, you can take the dash, and let's dash. So here is the dash. And it takes you all throughout the city, and it's free.
So let's dive into the vibrant world of ArtPrize. It's a cultural phenomenon that has been captivating the hearts and minds of art enthusiasts since 2009. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride through the history, evolution, and the future of one of the most dynamic art competitions in the world. Picture this: in 2009, Grand Rapids, Michigan, is about to become the epicenter for the art world. ArtPrize, bustling in the scenes, immediately grabbing the attention of artists and critics globally. What makes ArtPrize so unique? It's the public voting, it's the massive prizes, and it's the incredible crowds that gather to celebrate creativity. From day one, ArtPrize was more than just an art competition, it was a movement. Fast forward to 2010, ArtPrize introduces juried awards, bringing in international experts to bestow even more honors. This move not only elevated the competition, but it also attracted a higher caliber of artistic talent. And in 2014, something magical happened. Anilia Hayuma Aga's piece, Intersection, made history by winning the grand prize from both the public and the jury. It was a moment that showcased the power of art to unite diverse perspectives. As the years rolled on, ArtPrize continued to evolve. In 2022, a groundbreaking public-private partnership was announced amongst the City of Grand Rapids, Downtown Grand Rapids, Incorporated, DDRI, and Kendall College of Art and Design of Ferris State University. This collaboration aimed to provide even more opportunity for artists through visibility awards, presented by Miller Knoll, and expanded grant offers. But what truly makes ArtPrize special is its commitment to the core elements that made it a phenomenon in the first place: amazing art, public voting, big prizes, and dynamic events, and the sheer joy of experiencing art in all its forms. Whether you're an artist or an art lover, ArtPrize offers a platform for everyone to engage, discuss, and celebrate creativity. Looking forward ahead, ArtPrize is even more committed than ever to foster creativity and community. With new partnerships, expanding opportunities, the future of ArtPrize is brighter than ever. So, whether you're a seasoned ArtPrize veteran or a curious newcomer, there's always something new and exciting to discover. So, come and join while ArtPrize is still around, and explore the incredible artworks and be a part of this amazing journey. Don't forget to like, comment, share for more exciting stories of what's happening in Grand Rapids and Michigan. And if you can't be there, watch the rest of this video so you can see what you potentially have an opportunity to still see in the days coming. Being someone who has grown up seeing the expansion of ArtPrize, I have to say that this year really showcased how big ArtPrize has gotten. The fact that ArtPrize is spread out throughout the city is amazing, and that's why I suggested you guys taking the dash, because parking does get a little bit crazy here. Everywhere you go downtown is an opportunity to see part of ArtPrize, and you don't need a group. People are totally friendly. There are tons of buildings that will be holding different portions of the artwork. So please indulge in using some of the information that documents exactly where things are going to be. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next person to try out for ArtPrize, and I might get to be able to see your amazing work. As you can see, today we're at one of the city's gems, which is our art gallery, which is Graham, showcasing some of the award-winning pieces of art from ArtPrize. As I give you some detailed must-visit spots downtown, enjoy the rest. First things first, if you're a coffee lover, you gotta try out Big B Coffee. It's a local favorite and locally owned, and they brew amazing drinks. Let's talk about food. Downtown Grand Rapids has an amazing culinary scene. While I'm not a foodie, I can assure you that you'll find some great eats all around town, just wandering and exploring. Downtown has a charming historical vibe as well. Notice as you stroll through places like Rosa Parks Circle, where many events are held. A hub for art and entertainment. And if you're into design, Kendall College of Art and Design is nearby, adding to the creative atmosphere. For major events, check out DeVos Place. It's where you'll find everything from boating to symphonies, performances. Grand Rapids is also known as Beer City, so if you enjoy a good brew, make sure to visit places like New Holland Brewery, Knickerbocker. You can easily walk to several breweries downtown. We also have a fantastic museum. The Grand Rapids Children's Museum is great for families, and the museum showcases fascinating exhibits, including Native American relics from the Anishinaabe people, which were local and living near the Grand River. Also, there's the Gerald R. Ford Museum that, hey, if you did not know, Grand Rapids actually is in possession of part of the Berlin Wall. There's so much to see in Grand Rapids, especially during ArtPrize, and you can't fit it all in one day. So take your time, explore, and enjoy everything our city has to offer. So to wrap it all up, if you're planning on coming to Grand Rapids, here are some of the things that you should be on the look for, even if it's not during ArtPrize. Rapids, although a small town, some say can have the big city amenities, especially if you are listening to people like CNN that had named it one of America's best towns to visit for its personality and a variation of attractions. So here's the breakdown. Let's talk museums again. Downtown has 5 unique museums dedicated to the African American culture, art, children, residential history, and science. There's also a planetarium, a 10-screen movie theater, and local food emporiums. If you're into outdoor activities, check out the skate park, the fish ladder, and the river walk along the Grand River. Pro tip, if you purchase a Culture Pass yard to explore discounted admissions to top attractions, it's a great way to explore more while saving some money. If you're not familiar, we have the Van Andel Arena. It's a hotspot for professional basketball, hockey, and women's volleyball games. It also hosts some of the national biggest touring family shows throughout the year. Places like DeVos Place, Rosa Parks Circle, and Calder Plaza attract crowds for cultural festivals and celebrations. I highly recommend going to the Hispanic Festival. You can thank me later. If you like music, you're in luck. Downtown Grand Rapids hosts several annual music festivals, including Local Spin Fest in May, Festival of the Arts in June, Breakaway Music Festival in August. That is my favorite. You have to go to that one. And many more. The World of Winter Festival from January to March also features musical performances as well. And don't forget the downtown market. If no one has ever told you about this is a place where you can find over 20 restaurants and gourmet food vendors under one greenhouse covered roof. The Abanon Park and the Blue Bridge are also must spots to see, hosting various celebrations and festivals throughout the year. If you get a chance, check out the Blue Bridge at night. It's pretty spectacular. For those springtime lovers, the spring brings thousands of visitors to the DeVos Place for events like West Michigan Home and Garden Show, the Ultimate Sports Show. Summer means outdoor concerts, al fresco dining, and communities celebrating like the Asian Pacific Festival, the Polish Festival, the Hispanic Festival, and the LGBTQ Pride. In the fall, don't miss the International Wine, Beer, and Food Festival at the DeVos Place. So there you have it. If you're interested to come to Grand Rapids and you want to know what's happening in our downtown scene, that is the extensive list of the different events that we have going down here. If you have more questions or you want to see more content, drop a comment below. So I'll make sure to go to that event so you can see it in real time. Guys, this is the last area I went for ArtPrize. So let me know in the comments below if you've seen any art pieces that speak to you. If you were here, what you would vote for.
Really is an audience participation where what you would do is you would list out what hurts and what helps. I do an artistic rendering of what your hurt is, but then since we want to focus on the positive, we'd be reinforcing with what it is that helps.
Oh, wow.
And there will be 1,234 responses from the community on this messaging board once completed. And that's when it's going to be really powerful because you can just start to page through and see what helps different people.
Wow.
Okay. Would you like to do one?
Sure.
Okay, great. Please have a seat.
All right. Let's do it. Do you have to sign something?
Well, all you have to do is, it's not really super official. I do ask to put a name, but it could be your dog's name, your name.
Okay.
I don't care if it's your real name. But you put your name underneath there.
Okay.
And then you're going to write what hurts and what helps. And then I'll start working on your Band-Aid.
All right, so I'm putting my name down here. Okay. Gonna think of something that hurts. Like expectations of people like my age. Like you're supposed to be married, you're supposed to have kids, you're supposed to be like
all those preconceived notions of what the standard okay thing to do is.
And just can't spell. I'm trying to think of a word.
The reason why I use the stencil is that it takes away the characteristics of handwriting.
Okay.
You can tell things by a person. Sometimes you can tell where they're from, their age, their gender. And so this is a way of keeping it
anonymous. Okay.
Anonymous.
Cool.
If you want, like, this is how I visioned that hurt manifesting.
Oh.
And so if you wanted to take a picture, because we're going to rip this in half.
Okay.
You're going to take half and we're going to be splitting that pain, kind of like sharing that experience, and hopefully it makes that pain a little bit less.
Okay, cool. Okay. So I'm going to write my word and then I'm going to take a picture and then we're going to split it. Okay. Yes. I'll just say yes.
And then I am self-conscious about my handwriting, so I always use this sort of obsolete technology of like these
You're totally fine.
machines. And so I actually deboss my work, or I use Braille a lot in my work. So the reason why I'm attracted to Braille is because my initials RW in Braille are a mirror image of each other. So in Braille, and this is like the way that you would read it, not me. So this is an R, and this is a W. So they're a mirror image of each other, and all of my work has this mirroring quality. It's because I'm always trying to look for balance, fairness, equity, and justice, really.
I love that.
And so that's why you never really see my signature, very rarely. But for yours, what I did is I signed it with this embossing plate that I made, and so it just says my name in there, and then it's a way for me to still have you know who I am, but not have me feel like I'm dying inside because I'm so self-conscious about my signature.
I like it.
Yeah, thank you so much. So if you're around later on in the week and you want to swing back by, you can see where yours is amongst these 1,234 other ones.
I'm a part of your art.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay. We're heading out. My pain.
If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our Michigan playlist for more amazing content. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our adventures. Craving more travel content? Dive into our other videos where I explore international destinations and hidden gems across the US. Passionate about culture? Join me as I explore the world through the lens of a trained anthropologist. Looking for more travel tips? I've got you covered with the best travel hacks to make sure your trip is smooth and budget friendly. Share this video with your friends and join our travel community to stay up to date on all of our latest adventures. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring. See you in the next video. Bye!